You may notice the large warehouses on 6th Street, and one of them is filled with Coca-Cola. David Wiley takes us to one local business that is leading the way in distribution here in Rancho Cucamonga.
In today's economic climate, it's becoming more and more important for companies to not only take care of their resources, but renew them. And no one in Rancho Cucamonga is doing that better than the folks here at the Coca-Cola warehouse on 6th Street. The Coca-Cola Distribution Center in Rancho Cucamonga covers some 10 acres, features a massive 138,000 square foot warehouse, and employs more than 400 people. The facility and its employees are responsible for delivering Coca-Cola products to stores and restaurants throughout the Inland Empire. Despite the massive daily task of providing beverages for thousands of businesses, the Rancho Cucamonga Coca-Cola warehouse has taken big steps to reduce its environmental footprint, making it the first local business to be recognized by the city's Green Business Recognition Program.
Well, companies have been challenged more than ever to reduce their carbon footprint, and this is why it's important that we take in what we take in and we recycle what we get back. So our goal is to be 100% recyclable. Everything coming in is recycled. Currently we're at 98%, which in the next 3 years our goal is to be 100% of whatever comes in the facility goes back out as being recycled.
And the evidence of that commitment to sustainability can be seen throughout the grounds. Inside the warehouse, where pallets of soft drinks are piled high, there is energy efficient and natural lighting.
All the lighting in the warehouse is either it's done through timers, through motion sensors, or we have skylights that help with the lighting as well too, where we can reduce the lights down to 0 during the day.
In addition, the forklifts used in the warehouse are all electric, creating an emission-free workplace. Now, a facility this size collects a lot of waste, so the warehouse has taken extensive steps to recycle and reuse the wood, plastic, and paper packaging and shipping materials that come to the site every day. Everywhere you look are clearly marked recycle bins to collect the various materials that pass through the warehouse so they can be reused.
This is actually our staging area where we keep all of our product before it's picked up by a third-party recycler. You see cardboard here, you see plastic, and you see wood. Last year we recycled 50,000 pounds of plastic through our shrink wrap and 80,000 pounds of cardboard. The wood you see here are broken pallets that they will be recycled as well too and turned into compost.
And the effort extends to delivery drivers as well, with a special area for them to drop off recyclable items after returning from their route. Now, the truck fleet itself is very special, with many of the bright red trucks being reduced emission vehicles.
This is a hybrid electric truck. There's currently 11 of these in motion in Rancho Cucamonga, delivering to all over the Inland Empire. They produce 30% less emissions and get 30% better fuel mileage than a normal diesel delivery truck.
Nationwide, Coca-Cola boasts some 750 of these reduced emission trucks. And while the Rancho Cucamonga facility began many of their green efforts on their own, local officials have been able to help them make improvements.
We've actually worked with the water company to lower our levels of water usage for irrigation, and we've looked at our electrical usage, and they've also sent in the electric company to help us look at where we can save more energy as well too. We thought we were doing a lot, but they've also pointed us in the right direction to help us save even more on water and electricity.
So with the warehouse and its employees working so hard to conserve some 98% of the facility's materials and energy, Coca-Cola proudly displays the city's Green Business Recognition sticker on their front door.
And it's not just 1 or 2 employees, it's the 400 plus employees that work here, and it's hard work to do this, and it's just a great honor that we're able to be a part of it and be the first company to be honored with that green recognition.
From the Coca-Cola warehouse in Rancho Cucamonga,